I better see a lot of litter picked up by the grabber people. Today we are celebrating a number of things. First, our upcoming solar installation at the Village Group here at the site of the Plantersville Cultural Center. We combined our announcement of our solar system with our trash pickup. And then lastly, we're here to celebrate the wonderful students and program of the Village Group, a summer and after school program.
They've been very successful. We had a great turnout with all the kids and all of our community from Coastal. We cleaned up Choppy Road, we cleaned up 701, right here by the Black River.
We'll actually get measurements of how much litter weight-wise at the beginning of next week.
It seems like a mundane task in the moment, but it's got a lot bigger purpose. All the trash flows out to the river eventually and it gets into the ocean, and that generally just degrades everyone's quality of life.
Having all of those toxins and litter in the water is really unhealthy for animals and people.
It's a big factor having these kids out here.
I'm hoping that our young people will tell the message to their friends, their cousins, their parents about how important it is for us to keep our community clean.
They see how hard it is to pick up litter and how this kind of boring it gets. They'll think twice if they try to throw something outside of their car.
It seems like a lot of the kids are super into it, and they'll help to educate the people that they're around as well.
We are excited about the solar energy package that we are going to have installed later this summer.
We're going to put just under 4 kilowatt ground mount system of solar energy.
So far we have 2 completed projects, this one being our third once it's finished in the summer. We're forecasting pretty close to a complete offset usage-wise.
We hope that we could be a prototype for others in this community to do the same.
Nonprofits typically do not have the same advantages of going solar as other businesses or residential properties do. So to be able to find this niche and help them out, it's just incredible.
Having a lot of coastal students here shows that we are very interested in the communities all around.
A very nice gentleman stopped on the road and asked us if we were volunteering our time and if we were from Coastal Carolina. It really made the students feel good to know that they were doing something in the community.
To be able to have that relationship with Coastal Carolina through Dr. Martin and others is just really special for us here in Georgetown.
Our students have a chance to be out with young people in our community doing something that's really meaningful for all of us.